Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Nidhi Lokhande from final year, and I'm currently the communication head for Vital Spark 2025. As you know, that this is our first academic celebration. For the very first time, we've been arranging this conference, academic UG conference, and the first time, even if it is the first time, it is at a huge level all across the state. It has been spread all over the colleges. So, looking at the sessions, what aspects of the workshop did you find the most astonishing?
Most astonishing is, I think, the zeal and the enthusiasm by the students as well as by the faculty. The other thing is, this is solely for hands-on. There is no theory, there is no mugging up. That's why everybody is constantly on their toes. And I am sure that they will learn all the procedures and all the hands-on things perfectly.
How did you feel about the level of engagement and curiosity among the participants?
It is very high, obviously, because they are on the verge of studying all these procedures and now they'll be completing their MBBS. So at MBBS level, everybody is very much curious. But once you get to learn on the mannequins or sometimes on the patient, it becomes it goes on a different level. And I think because of this and the quality of mannequins which our college has and the quality of staff, and even we have some international faculties who teach us BLS, ACLS and so many other courses. Many of the faculties have already been abroad and done those courses. So that will definitely add value to it, and that will make it more standardized, and that will improve the quality of education as well.
From your experience, what made this workshop a unique and a memorable experience?
Unique is first, it is being a new college. This is something new which has been tried here, tested here. And before the concept of skill lab by NMC, the college already had this facility of skill lab, and that was in affiliation with Royal College of Edinburgh. So we had this skill lab and we use this for mainly for cadaveric things. So I think that makes us unique, that this kind of dimension of hands-on training should be added, and now obviously NMC has also added it. So that really adds to the quality of education which we offer to our medical students.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you and wish you all the best.